Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 8th Jan 2019's pre-open session. Today SGX Nifty is showing 5.5 points down move at the level of 10,799.5 levels. US markets have done pretty great for itself at 0.42% up on DowJones and 1.26% up on Nasdaq and 0.7% up on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets to open flat or green in today's session. Let's see what Indian markets have to offer in today's session. So Indian markets have corrected from the tops. It has gone to the level of 10,836, which yesterday or day before yesterday I had told you that there is a very strong resistance at 10,836 levels. So it happened, it actually went to the level of 10,836 and afterwards came down to the level of 10,770, which is a very strong support, which I had previously told as well. And there is a very strong support at 10,784, which is actually broken, and it may come down to the level of 10,750, 10,730 or 10,707 to take support and go upwards. The supports are like this: 10,750, 10,732, 10,707, 10,700 of course, and 10,672, 10,650, 10,640, 10,600 and 10,563 are the supports we had to watch out for in today's session. And if we had to look at the resistances would come up to around 10,795 levels. 10,780 levels of course is a very strong resistance for the market as of now, and the level of 10,825 levels, 10,850 levels, 10,880, 10,884 are very strong resistance for the markets. If that is crossed, the level of 10,926 will act as a very strong resistance for the market to go upwards and scale to the level of 11,000 and above. So these are the supports and resistances for today, and fast stochastic and slow stochastic is showing that we are entering a oversold zone. We almost are near to that, and we may go up from here onwards because the market is supposed to go upwards when there is a oversold zone in fast stochastic and slow stochastic. MACD is flat to flattish. There is not much momentum in the market. The market is not going that great because there is not much momentum in the market. So this is the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you want this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. I'll be having a 2-day workshop in Nifty options on Saturday and Sunday, that is this weekend on 12th and 13th. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. You'll be taught 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.